Yes, SCP team. Just follow the instructions. Okay. First, when you open Tally, you will log into your company, that is SCP General Services. Okay, and you will get this screen. Okay. From here, you have to go to vouchers. Okay, vouchers. Just go to vouchers and enter. Okay, enter. When you enter, you have to go to the right hand side. There are buttons. Okay, F8 for sales. Okay, just click on it. For invoicing, I'm giving the instruction to post invoice. Okay, that is e-invoice. Just select the invoice. Okay, invoice. As usual, if you have any cost centers, that is a project will allocate the income, right? So if you have created some projects, you can select, otherwise not applicable. Okay, I will select not applicable here. So I don't know which one I have to select. This is for test. Okay, and, so not applicable. I select it. Here you have to enter. Okay, the date first. Go to date, F2. For example, I entered 1/1/22. Okay, enter. If it says some error, if it is not allowing you to enter the date, you just press alt F2. Alt F2, that is period. Okay, that is alt F2, that is period. Enter 1/1, that is new financial year, 1/1/22 to 31st 12/22. Okay, and so now you can enter the date. Let's go to date again, 1/1/22. Okay, so here you can see 0001. Okay, it is effective from 1/1/22. I have given the date 1/1/22. So I assume Abad Rab Salim is the customer. Okay, so select party account name. You have to select the customer. Enter. So here you have delivery note number. Leave that blank. Delivery note number we have given here. Okay, dispatch document number is nothing but delivery note number. You can enter some delivery note number if you have any. It is optional. Okay, all the fields are optional. If you have, you can enter, otherwise you can leave it blank and keep on entering. Enter, enter, enter. Okay, when you go to order number, you will get some not applicable and new number option. Go to new number. If you have any order number, you just enter any. It is alphanumeric. It takes both number and uh, alphabet alphabets. Okay, so you can type anything. It's, alphanumeric field it is. I say A123, for example. It is PO number. Okay, for example, date, here you can mention any date. I say 1/1/22. Okay, enter, 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 enter. Here you have to enter. Keep on entering. Just okay. Here these are all the fields. It will be auto filled by this one, ledger. Okay, if you have all the details inside the ledger, it will auto fill here. Okay, if you have entered VAT number inside this ledger, it will take it here automatically. Okay, no need to enter manually every time. Enter. After entering it again, it is coming to cost center field. Okay, if you have any, as I said, if you have already selected, no need to select here. If you have not selected, you can press space bar. It will list out all the project, means cost centers. You can select any one of them. I am selecting not applicable here. After that, you have the incomes, many income heads. Okay, for example, here you have given some, for example, I will take one Excel sheet, any one of them. Supply non-drinking water for camp. Okay, supply non-drinking water. Supply. There's no ledger created for that. Okay. Mm, I will take just water income. Okay. Drinking water income. Okay. Selecting here. Drinking water income. When you enter, this is the customized, screen which you have requested for. So here the ledger name takes automatically, and if you don't want, you can type anything here in this description. Whatever you type here, it will print. Okay. uh, if you want to continue the same ledger name, just enter quantity. You can enter here, for example, 100. Here it is, drinking water, I say liter here. So for example, 10 per liter. Okay, it is 1000. So here only one thing you have to mention, description. In case if you have want to mention only one description, so just what you have to do is, it takes again drinking water income. No worry, just enter blank enters. Here you have to select end of list, enter. Okay, again it comes to the voucher, sales voucher, main screen. Here again you have to enter the amount, means taxable amount without VAT it is. Okay, enter, 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 enter. Here you have to select VAT. Okay, VAT 15%. So VAT calculates automatically. So this is done. Okay, I'm not accepting this because this is dummy entry. E-invoice, you cannot edit anything, so I'm not accepting saving this entry because you cannot edit this is dummy entry, so I'm not saving. So period, invoice period, you have to enter here in this field. Okay, I'm just saying period here. After entering period, I say yes. So I'm not saving. So without saving, you can directly print the invoice. Okay, I'm directly going to print alt P you can use. Okay, so when I go to print here, you don't save it me entries in e-invoice. Okay, you cannot change it. I'm repeating it. Okay, and when you go to print current, just select current. It is saying party VAT number not specified. If you have as I told already, if you have mentioned already in the party account ledger, party ledger, it will take automatically. It is not mentioned, so it is saying party VAT number not specified. Okay, so it will not allow you to save e-invoice without a VAT number. Okay, and if it is unregistered customer, you have to select unregistered inside the ledger. Okay, so I'm just printing, I'm saying enter, ignoring that error. I'm not saving. Okay, so when I go to that's all. Okay, after this you can save the entry. I'm not saving here. After that, if you enter, it will at the end of the screen it will show a small screen except yes or no. So if you say yes, the entry will get saved and it will directly go to the print like this. So you can just uh, go to preview. Okay, once zoom it, check all the details. Okay, if it is not correct also, you cannot change. Before accepting, you have to correct everything in the voucher. Okay, so I checked everything. So escape twice. After escaping, again it will come to print. So you can print from here. Okay, if you means if you did not get this screen, for example, you escaped and it went off from the screen. So what you can do is, it is not saved. Okay, I'm escaping from here. Where you will get this after you saving, just go to display day book. Okay, all the entries of the day will list out here. Okay, so you can search here your invoice and you can enter on that, and you can take the printout by pressing alt P. Okay. That's all. If you have any doubt, you can ask me through WhatsApp. Okay, so I hope you understood this. Thank you.